Everyone's talking about AI, but almost nobody is talking about the thing that will actually determine who wins the AI race: infrastructure. Because AI isn't just software anymore, it's becoming the next industrial revolution. And according to a massive new report from Brookfield, the world may need over $7 trillion in new AI infrastructure over the next decade. That means data centers, power grids, Nvidia GPUs, cooling systems, fiber networks, and eventually, entire AI factories. The report says AI could generate more than $10 trillion in economic productivity gains over the next 10 years. But there's a catch. AI models are becoming so powerful, they're consuming staggering amounts of electricity. Some next-generation AI racks now use over 120 kilowatts per rack, compared to just 10 to 15 kilowatts in traditional data centers. And this is creating a global bottleneck. Not enough power, not enough GPUs, not enough infrastructure. In some parts of the United States, it can now take nearly a decade just to secure a power connection for a new hyperscale AI facility. That's why countries are now treating AI like a national security priority. France announced a partnership worth 20 billion euros to build massive sovereign AI infrastructure. Sweden announced a $10 billion AI infrastructure investment. Governments around the world are racing to build what some are calling AI gigafactories, massive facilities packed with hundreds of thousands of AI chips. And this is where things get really interesting. The report argues that cheaper AI won't reduce demand for AI. It will massively increase it. This is something called the Jevons paradox. As technology becomes cheaper and more efficient, people use more of it, not less. For example, OpenAI reportedly reduced the cost of AI tokens by 99% in just 18 months. But instead of slowing infrastructure demand, the AI arms race accelerated. Because once AI becomes cheap enough, everyone starts using it. Businesses, governments, scientists, robotics companies, entire industries, and Brookfield believes this is only the beginning. The report predicts that AI data center capacity could increase more than tenfold by 2034. It also predicts that humanoid robots could reach the millions within the next decade, transforming labor, manufacturing, logistics, and the global economy itself. In other words, the next AI boom may not be about chatbots. It may be about building the physical backbone of an AI-powered civilization. Power, compute, robotics, energy, and whoever controls that infrastructure could control the future of AI itself. I'm Bailey, bringing you the latest AI news, tools, and stories you actually need to know. If you're into AI, future tech, and staying ahead of what's coming next, make sure to like, follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. You already know how the internet works, and I'll see you in the next one.